Hi, I'm T-Dog and today we will going to show 40mm EPES grenades for destroying vehicles using paintball ammunition. This is our solution for all fans of destroying combat vehicles, the Paintball 40mm grenade. This grenade is powered by CO2, so it's reliable in every conditions and temperatures. Inside there is a precisely interchangeable barrel or chamber for paintball pellets. The grenade is made of duralumin with interchangeable insert of POM, the structural plastic. The effective range is 30 to 50 meters, depending on paintball ammunition used. As the 6mm airsoft pellets, not all BBs are the same quality. In addition, there are other types of paintball ammunition besides the balls. For example, this First Strike or HS projectiles. I think that everyone can see which one can fly better, right? By the way, this is also product from Czech Republic, but we will talk about it in some another video. Of course, I can shoot much further, up to 100 meters, but the accuracy decreasing by the increasing distance. We offer two versions of the grenade, with a plastic or duralumin imitation of the projectile. The plastic one is lighter and cheaper, and the duralumin one is more attractive and durable, but also more expensive. After unscrewing the grenade, we can get the filling valve and then we can load the paintball. It needs to be fit inside properly to get the right pressure. And here we come to the first huge advantage of our system: the interchangeable, precisely fitted chamber barrel. Whether due to wear and tear or using paintball of a different outer diameter. The ideal combination is a grenade with the insert for the grenade launcher. And that is the second huge advantage of our PB40 system as whole. It is an insertable paintball barrel which significantly increases the effectiveness of the PB40 system. It is an insertable paintball barrel which significantly increases the effectiveness of EPES grenades. The barrel ends with POM segment which fitted precisely into the grenade. I can install this insert into any airsoft grenade launcher in a matter of minutes. Let's show how easy it is. For the installation I need just the insert itself and the 2.5mm hex screwdriver. Insert the grenade and close it. Slide the barrel in from the front and tighten the first 3 screws of the front spacer ring. Remove the grenade and tighten the other 3 screws of the rear spacer ring. And that's it. And here you can see a detail of a locking mechanism of inner paintball barrel. We offer barrel inserts in 3 lines, covering most common airsoft grenade launchers. But we can also prepare custom lengths upon the request. For example, we made a customization for airsoft replica of LAW. The shortest one for grenade launchers with barrel length around 20 centimeters, like this M230 or M203 short. The medium one for grenade launchers with the barrel length around 30 centimeters, like this M203 long or AG36 or UGL for L85, for example. And finally, the longest one for grenade launchers with the barrel length around 35 centimeters, like for example this very nice M79. Are you interested in how it works? Let's take a look. Now we can go to show the load of the grenade. First, unscrew the grenade for 2 pieces. Now you can see the filling valve and the chamber for the paintball ammunition. First, load with the paintball and beware to secure the paintball tightly. Also, you have to push the paintball a little bit inside because of the space for the output valve. Now we can fill the cartridge with the CO2. And finally, assemble all the grenade, and here we go. The setup you can see in the test is the worst possible one. We used the shortest barrel and basic paintballs. Our PB40s are compatible with all grenade launchers models. The only problem can appear while the grenade launcher striker has not enough stroke, ideally 10 mm. For safety reasons, the valve is a little bit inside of the body of the grenade. In reality, however, we have this issue only with some types, some models of M203 grenade launchers. But it's not a big problem. The striker can be modified. Unlike commonly 40 mm grenades, the PB40 system valve does not resist with increasing pressure of the gas. So you will have no problem to shoot with it with systems with less striker force, like UGL from ICS. What makes the PB40 system so great? I use the standard size grenade, so I can put it in any pouch. I can use the grenade separately, but in the combination with the barrel, I significantly increase the range. In combination with the inner barrel, each shot is to the same point. Because the locking system, the grenade is exactly locked inside the barrel with no wobble during the shooting. Effective range 30 to 50 meters. Maximal range is up to 100 meters. Why we came with this product? Because I used it for like 4 years. It's something like my baby and I really love it. And I think maybe you can love it too. So if you like this feature, check the link in description below.